Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm at home on a Sunday just chilling. As you can see, oh man, I'm letting my hair grow out. Oh my gosh, look at me, just relaxing. But the title of this video is 3 steps to help you to become a super affiliate. Now, I do want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to click that subscribe button. You'll see it down here somewhere. And also on the very right there, be sure to click that bell so you're notified of any new videos that I do put out. So here's the 3 steps for you today on how that you can become a super affiliate. So step 1, and I got some notes here that I'm actually referring to, so I'll look at these notes here and then I'll go into detail here for you. So step 1, decide that you want multiple streams of income for your business. So if you really want to be a super affiliate, decide that you want multiple streams of income for your business, not just one single income. Those that are super affiliates, they have more than one stream of income. Okay? Step 2, find a hungry market who will buy your unique products and services. Step 2, find your unique market who will buy your products and services. Now, here is the thing. Oftentimes, if you have a passion of something but you don't have a market that wants it, then you're not going to make any money. So find a unique market that wants to buy. Find the buyers that want what you have to offer. That's step 2. Step 3, be sure to get on the webinar this Wednesday, August 14th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. On this webinar, there will be 7-figure earners teaching you the skill sets that you need to become a super affiliate. That's it, guys. A quick video. I'm going to get back to relaxing on my Sunday. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're relaxing, but I also hope that you're getting ready for the week to make it the most amazing week in your life and in your business. Guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. Going back to relax. Peace. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.